One of the things that used to bother me a lot for many, many years was cellulite. We all have it, we all find it difficult to deal with it and tackle with it. So let's look at what the deal with cellulite is. So, first, understand that 90% of women have cellulite. So, please don't look at airbrushed pictures on social media, on magazine covers, and think that something is wrong with you. Cellulite is there and is present in about 80 to 90% of the women. Second, it commonly affects women more than men because of three reasons. One, because of our hormones, because we have more estrogen than men. Second, because of how these hormones affect the way women store fat. And third, because of the nature of our connective tissue that we have. So the connective tissue in women is a little bit less interwoven compared to the connective tissue in men. So it allows the fat to come out in between the connective tissue strands and bulge out. So this is to put it in very, very, very layman's terms, so it is easier for you to understand. So this is how women tend to have and struggle more with cellulite. Next, let's look at what are the possible ways for you to deal with it and tackle with it. First, very commonly asked question: if I lose weight, will the cellulite go? So weight loss is great if your BMI is much higher, and if you feel that you are heavy, then losing weight is a great way to tackle many things. But it is not necessary that all your cellulite will disappear when you lose weight. It may get better if you are obese and lose a little bit weight. That said, even skinny people can have a lot of cellulite. So it's quite normal for skinny people also to have cellulite, and it's quite normal that your weight is very, very normal and there is no increase in your BMI, but still you might be struggling with cellulite. Second thing, if I work out, will the cellulite go? If I tone myself, will the cellulite go? Now, toning is a very common thing which a lot of women talk about, that they want to tone, and in order to tone, they engage themselves in very low calorie diets, they engage themselves in plenty of cardio, etc. So the best way for you to tone is for you to lose body fat and to increase lean muscle mass. So strength training is important for this. That said, does working out help with losing cellulite? Working out helps with reducing body fat, working out helps with increasing lean muscle mass, and working out helps with increasing your other health parameters like improving your insulin sensitivity, etc., etc. But losing cellulite is not going to be one of those things. It's possible that you might tone up your body a little bit, but your cellulite may not completely disappear. So also understand that there are super fit women in the world who have cellulite. Next thing, there are no miracle creams, no miracle lotions, no miracle potions that can help you get rid of cellulite. So if somebody is advertising and marketing creams that take care of cellulite, please do not waste your money on this. It doesn't help. Does surgery help with losing cellulite? To a certain extent maybe, but getting rid of cellulite completely through surgery again is not possible. So that is also not the way out. So what is the bottom line? The bottom line is to get comfortable with your body. Focus on getting strong, focus on staying positive with your body, and learn to appreciate and understand the magic that the female body is. So please do not stress too much about cellulite. Please do not compare your body with the airbrushed images that you see on social media and on magazine covers, because that's not who you are. Those are images which are done for certain purposes, but ours are real lives. So just focus on staying body positive, stay fit, get strong, eat well, sleep well, and the rest is taken care of.